Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the surface and positioning the tape precisely. Clean thoroughly so adhesion sticks, dust or oil will ruin the bond. Measure and mark your endpoints. Cutting the tape a bit longer gives you wiggle room. Hold the roll so the glossy backing faces you, then align the tape over the mark without peeling yet. Once done, press one end down to anchor it. This prevents shifting while you remove the backing and continue applying along the intended line. You now apply and smooth the tape for a uniform hold. Peel the backing slowly at a shallow angle. Ripping causes twisting and air pockets. As you lay the tape, press from the center outward using a squeegee or firm finger strokes to force out trapped air and ensure full contact. If you encounter slight misalignment, lift gently and reapply. Do not stretch. Once aligned, trim excess with a sharp blade and score corners for neat overlaps and a professional finish. You complete the job by sealing and checking adhesion. Burnish all edges and seams firmly. Pressure activates the adhesive and prevents lifting. Inspect for bubbles. Small ones can be popped with a pin and smoothed. Large failures may need partial lift and reapplication. If removal is required, soften the adhesive with heat and peel slowly at a low angle. If certain spots won't stick, replace them with short strips or add a tiny amount of contact adhesive. This restores strength without compromising the rest of the work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.